Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up the Coinbase app. First, download the Coinbase app from your device's app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Next, open the app and create your account using your email address and a strong, unique password. Finally, check your email inbox for a verification link and click it to confirm your email address. This is a crucial first step. After creating your account, the next step is to verify your identity. You will need to provide some personal information, including your full legal name and date of birth. Then, upload a clear photo of a government-issued identification document, like a driver's license or passport. Finally, complete a quick selfie verification to confirm that you are indeed the person in the ID. This process typically takes only a few minutes. Now it's time to link a payment method so you can fund your account. Coinbase offers several options, including linking a bank account, a debit card, or even PayPal. Simply select your preferred method and follow the clear on-screen instructions to securely connect it. For bank accounts, you might need to verify small deposits or withdrawals, which usually takes 1 or 2 business days to complete. With your payment method linked, you are ready to make your first cryptocurrency purchase. Navigate to the Buy section within the Coinbase app, which is usually prominently displayed. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, from the available list. Enter the amount you want to spend, review the transaction details, and then confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you've just bought your first crypto.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.